Hi everyone, my name is Rhea from Rhea's Humble Sanctuary and I love plants. Today is a very exciting day because I'm going to do the thing that I love the most, and that is unboxing. So I have here a box that I'm going to open and unbox, and this is an LED grow lights for indoor use. I have given the opportunity and the privilege to do an unboxing and also to use these grow light products, and I'm so grateful and honored to be a part of it. So I'm so excited to open it now. I cannot wait. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. As you can see, the box is really compact and sturdy, and it has no damage. The outer package has no damage when it was delivered through Amazon. So far, the outward packaging, I'm happy, and so let's open it now. It is really exciting to open box. It's like opening present. So here it is. Can you see it? Yeah. So these are all what's inside the box. First, there is a service card. And then there is a user manual. Floor plant grow light. So I'm going to have a look on it and read it later on, and it's in English, so that's good. It's in English version. So also a remote control, RF wireless, and this too, I believe this is the grow lights. With its another remote control with it, and an adapter, which is in UK, so that is more handy. I don't need to get another support. I can just easily plug it on in here. And then I believe this is the can, so it is wrapped in bubble wrap to protect. Also the stick of this grow light is also protected with a soft like cloth like protector. So I'm going to try to build it. Well, not really build. I choose this grow light because I don't really have the handy skills, and I don't have any support or help to build any stuff here. So I choose this one because I believe this is an easy and straightforward grow lights to use. So what I did is just loosen the screw, and there, it's standing now. So this is the tripod. Looks really it does really feel like sturdy. It's really sturdy, and I think I have to tighten it to make it more sturdy. Look. So yeah, very easy. And the second one, this is the grow lights. I'm gonna open it, and oops, there's also plastic. It's gonna be a great help, though this these grow lights on my plants. I mean, with our weather, here in Northern Ireland, it's getting really cold, and we are in winter time, so that means we have shorter days and really long nights, apart from being cold as well. So having a grow light support does really help give boost to our plants, you know, because with plants it's not only necessarily that you have a right medium soil mix, you know, proper watering and or humidity or water, but and also plant food, but also for plants to grow, it does really need a good amount of sunlight. And since we don't have a long period of sunshine, having this product is really a wonderful use, really help us. So yeah, this is it really. So this is the neck, and that's the LED lights, and it is protected by plastic cover. And the neck, I would say the neck is bendable, so you can bend it, easily bend whatever direction you would like. So I guess all you need to do is to put it on the top. So I'm gonna try to put this on the top with the seconds. So there's a hook. There's a cover on the top. I don't know if you can see it. There's a thing on the top that you have to remove, and then you just have to slide. To screw it. So doesn't really need big muscle hands. Just good sturdy hands would do. Yeah. So this hooks or screw, is it the hook? This screw here is actually you can use if you want to make it, you know, a bit longer, depending on the desired length you want your grow lights to be. So if I do it a bit like that, I can just pull it out, just loosen this screw, and then tighten it back again. So yeah, and then on the second one you can also do like that, the same thing, the same process. Just loosen it, pull it up, and then tighten it back again. So yeah, you don't need any materials to or thing to support it. Just very straightforward use. So this is a long one. Really long. A standing grow lights. It's like a big tall lamp. Yeah, you can see it. And also, if you want it just in your table, you can just loosen it again and pull it down. Loosen the second screw and pull it down, and loosen the screw and pull it down. So yeah, really easy, and then tighten it back again. Yeah. As for um, the neck, longer neck, you can bend it. I don't know if you can see it. You can bend it with these lights. You can, since it has this long bendy neck, you can actually bend it whichever you preferred, to north, west, or south, or maybe in just one direction. So it's really up to you, because it's really bendy. Yeah, so it's really bendy. Yeah. Or you can just make it in one direction. It's really up to you. So yeah.